Meanwhile, Filipinos in Cambodia are happy about the reforms that are taking place under the Aquino administration. They see better days ahead for the Filipino people. Again, this report from Rocky Ignacio.
More Filipinos abroad are optimistic that better lives awaits in the Philippines. Sister Mirna Porto, technical advisor at the Takeo Eye Hospital in Cambodia, said they received good news among Filipinos back home about the positive development in the country due to President Aquino's straight path of governance. Sister Mirna services to our Daughters of Charity in Cambodia for more than 10 years.
Ipagpatuloy po naging matatag ang ating pong gobyerno sa development, especially po yung preservation ng natural resources.
Sister Mina lauded President Aquino's efforts to maintain peace and development in Mindanao. She's confident that this time a lasting peace will attain under the framework agreement between the government and the MILF.
I am really appreciate and I hope it will continue yung pong ating maiitulong o maipakita sa buong mundo na nangyayari po sa atin sa Bangsamoro. So, I hope yun po ang ating maiibigay po sa buong mundo na meron po tayong pag-asa na magkakaroon po ng kapayapaan.
There are more than 3,000 Filipinos in Cambodia. Most of them are professionals and gainfully employed, such as teachers and consultants. Engineer Frank George Herames, Chief for Operations of the HCSES, acknowledged President News during his meeting with the Filipino community when he visited Cambodia early this year. Engineer Herames is building 1,500 houses to be donated for the poor in Cambodia. The $3 million project is under the People for Care and Learning, a non-government organization in the U.S.
And maganda yun pag bumalik-balik siya dito kasi yung mga hinaing ng mga Pinoy dito at least ma-resolve naman. Like for the example, ngayon medyo mahigpit yung immigration natin. So even though you're authenticated yung punta mo dito, sometimes na-offload ka pa. So yun ang isang kwan. So sayang naman yung pera na ginagastos dyan pagkatapos hindi naman lang matuloy dito. Dalasan nyo yung bisita sa amin dito. So maraming inaing na ma-resolve talaga actually.
President Aquino has more 4 years to lead the country. Dr. Rebecca Catalya is hopeful that the legacy of good governance under the Aquino administration will continue with the next leadership.
But I hear a lot of things, positive things. At nanghihinayan ako, wala siyang second term. Yun ang nakakalungkot lang. Pero I'm always asking fellow Filipinos, sino kaya ang papalit? Kasi gusto ko sana tuloy-tuloy yung initiatives na umpisan niya. So, maganda yung direction na tinake niya. And he meets head-on the challenges. Kaya gusto ko yung leadership niya. I don't think he cares about other things, but I think the Philippines to a better phase than where it was before. So, nakikita ko, tapos may mga Pilipino, ako naririnig na ulit dito sa Cambodia, plus other countries na umuwi sa Pilipinas kasi nakikita yung prospects niya. I think that's a good indication of what's going on in the country. So, very encouraging for the Filipinos abroad.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio, Phnom Penh, Cambodia.